Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 8 book. Today I will start the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The First Christmas One. Now when Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judah in the days of Herod the king, behold, there came wise men from the east to Jerusalem. So when Jesus was born in Bethlehem, which was in Judah, and that time the king was Herod, some wise men came from east to Jerusalem, saying, Where is he that is born King of the Jews? For we have seen his stars in the east, and are come to worship him. So they came and they say, Where is the King of Jews? As we have seen him, as a star in the east is coming, and we are here so that we could worship him. When Herod the king had heard this thing, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem with him. So when Herod heard this thing, he troubled him and all Jerusalem, and he troubled all Jerusalem also. People of Jerusalem, king troubled them. And when he had gathered all the chief priests and scribes of the people together, he demanded of them where Christ should be born. And he gathered all the priests and the scribes. Priest is a person who perform religious ceremonies, and scribes is called a writer. He gathered all the people together and he demanded where Jesus Christ should be born. And they said unto him, In Bethlehem of Judah. So they said with him only that Jesus should be born in Judah only, in Bethlehem. For thus it was written by prophet. And they said that it is written by prophet. And though Bethlehem is the land of Judah, are not least among the princes of Judah. So he said that Bethlehem is a land of Judah, and it is not less than the Judah. For out there shall come a governor that shall rule my people Israel. So he said that governor should come and he should rule the people of Israel. Then Herod, when he had privily called the wise men, inquired of them diligently what time the star appeared. So then the Herod privately called the wise men, and he asked from them what time the star appeared from them. And he sent to Bethlehem and said, Go and search diligently for the young child. And he sent to them to Bethlehem and said that to him to search that young child. And when he found him, bring him word again, and that I may come and worship him also. And he said that when you will found them, you bring him, I will worship him also. When they had heard the king, they departed. So when they heard the king, they all leave, and lo, the star which they saw in the east went before them. And the stars went before them which they had seen, until it came, stood over where the young child was. And it came where the young child was there. So when they saw the star, they rejoiced with exceeding joy. So when they see the star, they were very much happy. And when they were come into the house, they saw the young child with Mary his mother, and fell down and worshipped him. So when they come in the house, they saw a child, and Mary was his mother, and they fell down and they worshipped him. When they had opened their treasures, they presented up to gifts gold, francis, and myrrh. So they have opened their treasure and they have presented them golds, gifts, and costly gifts. And being warned of God in a dream that they should not return to Herod, and they warned him that they should not return to Herod, they departed into their own country another way. So they departed their own country a different way. So that's all.